Good morning, children. How are you all? Stay home, stay safe. Myself, JVSN Koteshwar Rao, working as math teacher in Chilkulurpeta 2 branch. Now, I am going to tell you one story. Sita is a girl studying 5th class. She want to purchase sketch pens and asked her mother to give money. Her mother gave only 20 rupees and she went to shop and asked shopkeeper, I want sketch pens. Shopkeeper showed, I have this box of rupees 100. She told, I don't want that much, I need some pens. And she is thinking. Shopkeeper asked, why you are thinking, ma? I don't know the cost of one pen. So, shopkeeper helped to find the cost of one pen. How? The shopkeeper told, total cost of this box is 100 rupees divided by total pens. Here, this box contains 10. So, 100 divided by 10. We got 10 is the answer. The cost of one pen is equal to 10. So, she think, I have 20 rupees. Now, how many pens I got? She think, I got 2 pens. So, give me 2 pens. Here, shopkeeper divides and tell the answer. Sita multiply and tell. Okay. Now, I am going to tell unitary method. Now we are going to discuss a topic, that is unitary method. Unitary method definition. The unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by first finding the value of a single unit and then by finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit value. Here, known to unknown. Known, the cost price of the box is 100, we know. In that box, 10 pens are there. That information only we know. But what we don't know, the cost price of one pen, we don't know. That is unknown. By using and by dividing, we find the cost of one pen. Then we know the cost price of one pen. Here known that value. By using multiplication, we find necessary value. Okay, that is many. Here 2 pens is we need. So we find that value. So here we have a problem. Like that we have to find this one. Sum. Raju have to buy 8 books. These 8 books cost is 80 rupees. Raju need only 5 books. What is the cost price of 5 books? Here Raju want to buy 8 books. The cost price of 8 books is 80. And he want to buy only 5 books. What is the cost price of 8 books? What the information he have? Only the cost price of 8 books is 100. 80. So he have to find the value of one book. So the value of one book is equal to total value of books by number of books. So what is the total value of the books? 80 divided by 80. We can write like this also. 80 divided by 80. Division is here. So 8 ones 8. 8 ones 8. 8 minus 8. 0. Now 8 zeros 0. So we brought down this one. 8 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. So what is the cost price of one book? The cost price of one book is 10 rupees. The cost price of one book is 10 rupees. Step 2. Here, cost price of 5 books we have to find. So cost price of one book, already we know this value. So into number of books. So cost price of one book is 10 rupees, we know, and we have to multiply with necessary value we have to find. So that is 5. 5 times 50. 5 0 0. 5 ones 5. 5 times 50. The cost price of 5 books is 50 rupees. So conclusion, cost price of 5 books is 50. Here in this one, what we know only, cost price of 8 books is 80. That only we know. What we don't know? 1. The cost price of one book. So we by dividing, we got the cost price of one book. So cost price of one book is 10 rupees. So we know the cost price of one book. Now the cost price of 5 books we have to find by using this formula. Cost price of one book into number of books. So 10 rupees into 5, like that. So here conclusion. The unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by first finding the value of a single unit and then finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit. Here known to unknown. Known to unknown. Here also we know only the cost price of 8 books is 80, and then we find one value. From that one we find the necessary value, necessary articles what we want we find. Okay, thank you children, thank you.